Hi everyone, welcome to LCC Food. I am Labdi Jain and today we are making paneer veg roll. For that, first we'll marinate our paneer and vegetables. For marination we need half cup of hung curd, 2 tablespoons of roasted besan, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, half teaspoon of lemon juice, half teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of tandoori masala, 2 teaspoon of ginger chili paste, 1 teaspoon of dhana powder, 2 teaspoon of garlic paste, salt to taste, and 1 tablespoon of oil. We'll mix all the ingredients well. Now we've mixed all our ingredients well. Now we'll add the veggies. We are taking 1 onion, 1 capsicum, 4 to 5 pieces of baby corn, 1 packet of baby potatoes, about 250 grams of baby potatoes. We'll mix all this well and then add the paneer. Once all the vegetables are mixed properly, we'll add 250 grams of paneer and mix this well. Once we've mixed everything together, we'll put this in the fridge to marinate for 1 hour. Till the time our veggies are getting marinated in the fridge, we'll prepare a dough for the roti. We are taking 1 cup of maida, half cup of atta, 2 tablespoons of oil, salt to taste. We'll mix this well. We have combined all the ingredients well. Now we'll knead the dough with the water. We'll take water as required. We need to make a soft dough like roti. So now our dough is ready. We have to make a soft dough like this. We'll grease the dough with some oil. Cover the dough and rest it for 15 to 20 minutes. By the time our dough is getting rested, we'll make green chutney for the roll. For that we need 1 tablespoon of peanuts, 1 teaspoon of jeera, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of hing, 6 green chilies, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, salt to taste. In that we'll put 1 cup of coriander leaves and half cup of mint leaves. We'll put very little water as we need thick chutney, and we'll grind this and make it a paste. So now our green chutney is ready and we'll keep this aside. So now our chutney is ready and our dough has also rested well. So we'll roll out thin rotis and half roast them and keep it ready. We have divided our dough into 10 equal portions. So we'll roll out big and thin roti. Occasionally dust some dry flour if required. Now that we've rolled out thin and big roti, we'll half roast the rotis and keep it aside. To half roast the roti, we'll need a hot tawa. We'll put the roti. Now we'll flip this over. Take a cloth and just press this, and this is done. We'll keep this aside and we'll do all the other rotis the same way. So now our rotis are ready and our vegetable and paneer is also marinated well. So now we'll put them in the skewers. Now we'll put this on the tawa and put some oil and roast it from all the sides. If you do not have the skewers at home, then you can put the veggies and the paneer on the tawa and put some oil and roast it without the skewers. Now we'll turn on the other side and roast it from the other side. Till the time our paneer and veggies are getting roasted, we'll roast the roti. We'll take some butter on the roti. We'll heat the pan and put the roti and roast it from both the sides. We don't have to make the roti crispy, we have to keep it soft. Now we'll flip the roti and our roti is done. We'll take it on the plate. Apply some green chutney on the roti. Take the skewer and put it on the roti. We'll put some chaat masala and some onions on the top and roll this roti. And now our paneer vegetable roll is ready to serve. I hope you all have enjoyed our recipe. Please like and share our video and subscribe to our channel, and also follow us on our Instagram page @LCC Food. Thank you.